सगळे तेच चलयतले
SPCA ना हांव सगळें कांय चिंता करूं नाका पण जेन्ना एखादो मॅटर कोर्टा कडेन वता तेन्ना ताजेर नॉर्मली सरकार निर्णय घेना. दुसरी गजाल जी आसा ती गोश्ट आतां म्हणजे SPCA फुडें गेला. इफ SPCA इज हेडेड बाय अ रिटायर्ड हायकोर्ट जस्टीस you have to trust in him. If he gives report that the concerned PI is guilty of manipulation or something wrong, we will definitely take action.
Because sir, SPCA म्हणून गेल्या म्हणते म्हाका डिटेल
फुडलो प्रश्न
खंयची ती म्हाजी
अलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड
SPCA म्हणून ती गेल्या म्हणून
अलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड तुमचा
What is the
प्रश्न
detail? Just please give me. Okay. It is SP South. SP South कडे कंप्लेन केल्ली आहा. You are taking it as SPCA.
विजय बापुरो
स्पीकर सर, दिस इज अ सिरियस मॅटर.
भरपूर जाले
लोकांची फेथ केल्ली आहा की पुलीस जर चोरूंक लागले जाल्यार फाल्यां चोरयो जाता ते पुलीस करता अशें लोकांक दिसपाक लागला. And you are having a political bias behind this.
The complainant has also filed a petition before State Police Complaints Authority on 9th May 2013 for not releasing the property of 295 grams. The matter is pending before Honorable SPCA Authority, which is further fixed on 4th August 2014. तुका ती सारकी ब्रीफ करिना.
स्पीकर सर, SP जे तुम्ही रेफरन्स करताले पयली
सांगता
was with SP South.
सांगिना. I am telling you
एक वर्ड जाले ताजेर.
स्पीकर सर, म्हाका दिसता ऑनरेबल मेंबराक एका इंडिविज्युअल कंप्लेनंटान गरजे भायर इंटरेस्ट आहा. कशा प्रकारचो आहा तो हांव नकळो, पण हांव हांगा वाचता तो कंप्लेनंट हॅज ऑल्सो फायल्ड अ पेटिशन बिफोर द स्टेट पुलीस कंप्लेंट्स ऑथॉरिटी on 9th May 2013 and the matter for not releasing the property of 295 grams, the matter is pending before the Honorable SPCA Authority, which is further fixed on 4th August 2014.
स्पीकर सर, 4th August 2014 पिक्चर क्लियर जातले अशें दिसता तुमकां?
जर ताजेर
जस्टिस डिलेड इज जस्टिस डिनायड.
स्पीकर सर, तो ज्या पद्धतीन उलयता पळय म्हाका लागना 4 ऑगस्टा नंतर SPCA ज्या प्रमाणे.
द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अननेसेसरी डिस्कशन. न्ही सराचेरच परत परत कितें तेंच विचारता. प्लीज सीट नाव. अलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड.
Speaker sir, I may be permitted to ask question number 4A.
4A.
उत्तर हे करतले नाल्यार उत्तर वॉकआउट बी करतले उत्तर दिना. दीसभर करतले तो इज व्हेरी हॅपी.
ना उत्तर सार दिना जाल्यार मागीर वर्कआउट करया. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. उत्तर सारके दी. इट इज व्हेरी इंपॉर्टंट इश्यू.
कॉम्प्युटराचेर आयला त्या पद्दतीन.
चालत. Speaker sir, यो पड issue आहा, it is relating to even to the tourism industry. कित्याक गोंया is a tourism center. But कितें जालां आहा, हें पड आहा, I think government should come clear. CM आहा तो आमगेलो, he is the king of the whole flock. CM should make a statement. I want CM to make a statement. कित्याक tourism minister change जाला. मागीर आमगे एक मिनिट स्पीकर सर रमेश राव आन्सर करता. म्हाका सारकें उलय न्ही. आनी जे भाशेन आतां जे भाशेन अनलेस सीएमान सांगील बगर कित्याक आनी दुसरो मनीस हिंगना. द किंग हॅज टू आन्सर आख्खे परजे सांगपाक बाबा हें आहा नाल्यार तो उलयता हो उलयता. आनी इट क्रिएट्स कन्फ्युजन इन द मायंड्स. आनी खूंय तर इंडस्ट्री मायनींग इंडस्ट्री हें जालां कन्फ्युजन 7 वर्सां हें कोन्न बोवाड मान. आतां हेंय आनी कितें जायत म्हूण म्हाका भंय पडला. ताका लागून सीएमान क्लियर जाय न्ही बाबा दीस वील इफेक्ट इट वील वेदर यू डोंट फील दॅट दीस वील इफेक्ट द इंडस्ट्री ऑर नॉट.
स्पीकर सर, पयलीं प्रश्न कित्याचेर आहा तो लोकांक समजून ना. त्यामुळे हांव प्रश्न पयलीं सांगता. प्रश्न ताका एखादें लज दिसता आसतना उलोवपाक, पण प्रश्न बिकिनीचेर आहा.
बिकिनीचेर लज कित्याक? स्पीकर सर, लज कित्याक? लज काय ना.
उत्तर दिता मरे.
ना स्पीकर बेश्तो हें कोन्न नाका, बेश्तो डायवर्ट कोन्न नाका. लज दिसता आनी कितें दिसता. चोल्ल्या लज आहा, लज हुंय कितें उलय. ही इज एस्केपिंग हुंय कितें उलय न्हू. स्पीकर सर, इज नॉट करेक्ट.
क्लियर तुका लज दिसना. लज दिसना तुका. इट इज व्हेरी क्लियर. डोंट वरी.
माय सांग तेका.
स्पीकर सर, प्रश्नां भितर प्रश्न म्हाका केला सरकाराचे whether government has any plan to disallow ladies from wearing bikinis on the beaches in the state. I have made it very clear that there is no change in policy of the government. ताका आनी इतलो हाजेपेक्षा क्लॅरिटी कित्याक जाय? म्हाका दिसना. म्हाका दुसरो तोय प्रश्न आसा तो हांवें 17 पेपर काडले 17 newspaper. I can't watch, I don't get that local channel, so I don't watch local channel. But I saw 17 newspaper, all have different interpretation of the issue. All have different interpretation. I can show you, I have got 17 newspaper, the same statement has been interpreted by different newspaper based on its color. Those who are interested too much in bikini, they have given one type of statement. Those who are on his side, they have given different type of heading. I'll show you if you want. I analyze paper, so I can't make any, From what he told me, I don't see any wrong. Every person has his own opinion. Some people may like to have a freedom to the level where, आणि गोयची हे ट्रेडिशन आयचे नाही. हांव IIT नाशिल्लो तेन्ना म्हाका IITतले म्हजे सगळे क्लासमेट म्हाका एक दीस सांगूंक लागले, दीस समर सिजन वी वील गो टू दीस विंटर वी वील गो टू गोवा ऑल. हांव म्हणलें कित्याक रे इतले येता, दर्यार वतात म्हणून लागले, बट वी वील गो टू न्यूड बीच म्हणून लागले. Till then I didn't know that the nude beach existed in Goa, but they knew exactly where it is. आता ना तो पयलीं वागातोरा एका जाग्यार न्यूड बीच आशिल्लो, ते तांकां बरोबर खबर आशिल्लें. It is for everyone's taste and choice. Opinion can be all 40. If you write down on a paper your opinion, yes and no, on whatever statement we make on that, there will be different opinion. The question comes, if there is moral policing done by someone, we will take action. If anyone tries to take law in hand and try to harass a lady because of her cloth, I will not tolerate. If someone feels that a particular cloth is too offensive and it is indecent, he has the option of filing case and going to the court under Obscenity Act, whatever it is. But we will not tolerate anyone who tries to force someone to behave in a particular way. त्यामुळे whereas सोरो चड पिवचे न्ही हाजो एडवायस हांवूच दिता. म्हाका एक मिडिया विचारतलो पब कल्चर तुजें कितें म्हणणें. हांवें म्हणलें वॉट इज युअर डेफिनेशन ऑफ पब कल्चर, यू टेल मी फर्स्ट. बिकॉज each person has a different definition of pop culture in his mind. Some people think that pop culture म्हणजे पिवन टायट जावन धुमाकूळ काडप, आनी थोड्या लोकांक पॉप कल्चर म्हणजे फ्रीली पबान वचून ड्राफ्ट बियर पिवप, बरोबर कितें खावप, थोडेशें डान्स करप, हें थोड्यांक दिसूंक शकता. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कर्टेल एनीथींग अनलेस इट बिकम्स कॉज ऑफ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर प्रॉब्लेम or it becomes cause of too much of obscenity. Otherwise, no member need to worry, and no member need to worry that a statement of individual opinion, I may have individual opinion. As I said, I have an individual opinion that medium of instruction should be Konkani or Marathi only. This is my opinion. But the same person has taken as government a different decision. So तुम्ही गोंधळ घाल नाका. There is always तुमकां काही टी व्ही चॅनल गोंधळायतली, हांव जाणा, ते 8-10 जाणांक आपयतात, तांकां गाळी मारता, कितें करतात तें सोडून दी. बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, a person can have an individual opinion, still the government opinion can be different. And government opinion, I told you the best example. If individually, if you ask me, my children have studied in Marathi medium. I have forced, with difficulties also, I have taken them to Marathi medium. Because I believe that. But as a government, in the interest of the state, I took a decision which is not exactly reflecting my decision. So what is wrong? Person may have personal decision. I don't want to give any masala to the TV channels who doesn't have TRP at this moment. इसलिए म्हणून हांव सांगिना, नाजाल्यार म्हजें ओपिनियन आहा ताजेर.
सर सीएमान सांगिल्लें पेपर कितें येता तें सारकें हें करतात म्हणून. आय थिंक पेपर्स हॅव टू बी टोल्ड ते सारकें घालात म्हणून, कित्याक इट क्रिएट्स कन्फ्युजन. आतां
I made it clear now.
वन यू हॅव मेड इट क्लियर, यू हॅव नॉट मेड इट क्लियर. यू हॅव सेड मिनिस्टरान जाय तें उलोवपा जाता, बट इश्यू इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर द स्टेट. पर्सनल ओपिनियन. एक मिनट.
Speaker sir, I have not said that. Speaker sir, I protest strongly. He is trying to his word should be removed from the line. I have not said that.
Speaker, sir,
I said every person has an individual
Speaker,
opinion.
sir, I am very clear.
Haven't ministers Speaker sir, point of order, he has to withdraw those words. He is trying to use word in my mouth. I will not allow him to ask any question or reply to him.
I am trying to say that, Speaker, sir,
I will not reply to him.
Don't reply. Don't reply.
His words are removed.
No, I will not. You don't reply. As it is, you don't reply. Don't reply. No problem. What about the next question? Don't reply.
Before that, we are expunging the words which have been spoken by Mr.
Zaid expunge kore. As it is, ula in fayda na inga. Speaker, sir. Now, next question. Ata, I had asked whether entry of Mutalik. Ata, whether the government is, Speaker, sir, answer dila speculative and hypothetical question. When an interview comes on the paper and the TV channel and he says, I am going to come, and he CM anga apnange bond a CM clear korba jaye. I think CM should say.
Two questions very clear. Speaker sir.
I thought, Speaker sir, one second.
Speaker sir.
My thing expunge kor. Pol ma gulo ni. Ma expunge kor. Speaker sir, no problem. But one second. Speaker sir, 1 second. I'm asking a question, Speaker sir.
Listen,
I'm listening.
listen to me.
Asa.
पहिली म्हणजे तू you be specific and ask your question.
I am specific.
No need to elaborate everything.
Let
here.
CM also be specific and not talk knock out of the context. Speaker sir, whether a question unstart LQ number 38 of Sri Vishnu Wagh, whether the government will allow Sri Pramod Mutalik to start operations of his communal outfit of Sri Sena in state.
This question is for which
One
day?
second. For which day? Which day? 30th 7.
Next.
Yeah. Ask. He says no sir. Na tek lago munta kitako marking answer dila hypothetical and tek dila no sir. So I become hypothetical. I think Vishnu Wagh, I think he's.
I'll answer. Speaker sir, that is regarding permitting a particular organization which has some questionable dealings in Karnataka, his own state, Congress ruled state, and trying to come and set up an establishment in Goa. Here he has asked whether it will have effect on economy. I cannot speculate that. It is a speculative question. That is a very specific question what Vishnu Wagh has asked me, whether Ram Sene will be permitted to set up an office in Goa. I have categorically said no. You have received a reply. Here he is asking me whether some rumor or news of Ram Sene being set up in Goa will have an impact on economy. You read the question.
There is no rumor. There is no rumor.
Whether government is aware.
There is a rumor. There is no rumor.
Whether the government is aware that the entry of Mutalik, पहिली म्हणजे फक्त Mutalik या नावाचेर हांव काय सांगूंक शकना. Speaker sir, there is Mutalik is a surname.
Many Mutaliks.
No, Mutalik is a surname. And there will be thousands of Mutaliks in India. So I cannot speculate on Mutalik. And Ram Sena into state will have an effect on the economy. He is not asking whether I will not allow them. He is asking whether it will have an impact on economy. This is a speculative question. I cannot answer.
It won't have.
Shri Vijay sir, this.
Because sir, जेन्ना एक मिनिस्टर उलयता आनी ते कंट्रोवर्सी जाता देशाच्या पार्लमेंटान पावता तेन्ना आमचे प्रदेशाक वायट नांव येता काय ना पयर हिंदू राष्ट्र म्हणले ते एक्सपेंड कशें केलें ना तुमी
राष्ट्राचो प्रश्न
एक लायनीन सांगता
हाजे प्रश्नाचेर या उपप्रश्न
इकॉनॉमी म्हणटा प्रश्न
ताका सांगता हांव ताका इतलेंच सांगता हांव म्हज्या मिनिस्टरा कडेन उलयला सगळ्या कडेन आनी तांकां सांगलां तुमी जी गजाल कॉन्ट्री उखलून कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी करतले अशें उत्तरां किंवा अशे शब्द एवॉयड करा काही शब्द हे पर्पजली उखलले वता कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी केली वता
हिंदू राष्ट्र म्हणटा ते म्हणला ते एक्सपंज करचे तुम्ही सजेस्ट करा दॅट इज अगेन्स्ट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया
प्रश्न काल सोंपलो